Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to join me in applauding General Baba Olusegun Obasanjo. Thank you so much, my dear brother. His Excellency, the Governor of the great county of Kisumu, and the First Lady of Kisumu, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed, Hamjambo. I am very delighted to have an opportunity to talk to you today. But my speech has already been made by the General. And the other chief guests, Dr. Fazam Kamalabadi, they have spoken for me. May you stand up, Dr. Kamalabadi, you made my day today. I don't have much to add. But today we are in Festac, we are opening Festac. It's a festive occasion. And therefore, we are in the great city of Kisumu. Kisumu hoye! Kisumu hoye! Kisumu, Kisumu, Dalawa, Kisumu, Kisumu, Dalawa, Kisumu, Dalawa, Kisumu, Kisumu, Dalawa. Kisumu, Kisumu, Dalawa, Kisumu, Kisumu, Dalawa. Kisumu, Dalawa, Kisumu, Kisumu, Dalawa. Nyanza hoye! Kenya hoye! Africa hoye! Africa ka kanindo tieno katingo wia tuganene wanga. Maya tuga makameno njela makupoga godo dipoka kethu dinda. Africa hoye! Africa hoye! It is a great pleasure. Africa, good morning. Bonjour, bonjour, l'Afrique. It is a great pleasure to join so many Africans from across the continent and the world to celebrate Africa and its culture. We welcome those from different parts of the world who have made time to be here and to see how it was and how it is at the cradle of humankind as we celebrate our culture. We are all at home. It has been proven scientifically that the first humanoid species was here in this part of the world. And that's why anybody who comes here is welcome back home. I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the city of Kisumu for bringing this great event home. I equally thank the organizers for staging a show that is designed to leave a mark. Indeed, Africa is coming of age.